I'm going to explain you today about js6, and I'm really impressed about the style and feature and look of this car. You can also see from the front these all headlights, LED lights, and you can see this is projector lights from the front, and look the grille and the front camera. The car has 360-degree camera, and one of the good thing about this car is the car has adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency brake, front collision, automatic switching between high and low beams, lane departure, blind spot, rear traffic warning system, reverse camera, 360-degree camera, rear parking sensor, and also has wireless charger. So all these features in this car. This is js6 from Jac Motors, and look at the tire style, and such a big tire style. This is the look. My god, what a look. Really, interior is super for this car. So let us close and let us take the keys and see again what will happen. What I want to show about this feature, just do it like this, and look at this, automatically open. This is nice, and let us see. One touch, and in the one touch it is going down again. So this is J6 from Jac Motors. Look at the look and look at the rear. My god. And with the lane departure and blind spot, with cruise control and paddle shift, and look at the screen. Wow, what a beautiful screen. And look at this rotary system. So I'm really impressed, and let us start and see what exactly in the car is. You can connect your Bluetooth here, and when we shift here, there is also, you can change the lights. So from here, display, let us go here. Yeah, this is ambient light. So ambient light, you can see here, you can open, and you see here, change the mode, static, theme also you can change. Let us make it red. Yes. So flow, rhythm, theme. Let us make it purple. So now theme will become purple. Here, now see. Let us make one more. Let us make it Green Mountain. So Green Mountain. This is the Green Mountain. And in night time it looks really amazing. So what else you need for Jac? These are the panoramic sunroof, one touch open and close. This is the huge sunroof from here to here. So you can push, start and switch off. So these are the advantage for this with the 6 airbag, and also automatic chair. This is automatic chair. You see, memory chair is there. So memory chair, leather seat, airbags, blind spot, 360-degree camera, automatic braking system. So what else you need about this car? This is superb car. I would recommend, and I would say call the below mentioned number and know more about this car in Bahrain. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.